What's up mga umis? So, itong project natin ngayon, Honda Civic na RS Turbo 2024. So, 3 araw pa lang daw to. Pinagawa na dito sa Notorious. Tapos, ito kinabit natin sa kanya. Dual muffler tip kasi gusto ni customer is maingay and may rumble yung tunog ng muffler niya. Tapos 304 stainless ginamit natin dito para matibay na matibay. Pagdating naman dito, naglagay tayo ng resonator para hindi siya mawala ng back pressure. Di dapat tayo tatanggal yan para lang umingay yung sasakyan. Kailangan meron pa rin yan. So dito naman, naglagay tayo ng flexible pipe since nagpalagay si customer ng headers para iwas sa vibration. So yung mga umis, pakinggan natin ang bigay tunog niya.
Boy, I got, yeah, ice in my, yeah. Ice in my, boy, I got, yeah, ice in my, yeah.
Boy, I got ice in my veins. So give me the ball when the clock is running out. On top of my game. And so I ain't phased when haters start running mouths. You know what the name is. You know my team, the brothers I play with. They all on the same time. They all on the same itch. Ice in my veins. Ice in my veins. Just look who I came with, and look what we came for. When our backs on the ropes and they thinking we down for. We only need one more, we can't let them take it. The blood, sweat, and tears we put in through the years. We invest in the game, the best in the game. They won't heat checks, nobody checking my flame. Respect. Ice in my veins.
What's up mga umis? So, ito yung project nating RS Turbo. So, ito ay nabit natin sa kanya. Datatec na air filter. Tutulong to para makuha siya ng hangin papunta dun sa makina. So, yun mga umis. Pakinggan natin ang maging tunog niya. So sir, kamusta naman yung kinabit natin?
Okay naman po yung tunog na namit naman po yung expectation ko.
Kinabitan natin siya ng exhaust, headers, saka intake. So, mas na may hatak sir?
Okay po, para mas bumilis po siya.
Taga saan pa ba sir?
Marilao, Bulacan.
Layo pa sir. So yan, satisfied naman si sir.
Ice in my veins.